How to download Google Classroom and Google Meet app on your Huawei tablet in 3 steps. Step 1. Open Huawei AppGallery and search for Gspace app. Once you find it, click Install and wait for a few seconds. Step 2. Open Gspace app and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can always create a new one. Step 3. App installation. Simply click on the Google Classroom and the Google Meet app icon inside the Gspace to start installing these apps on your Huawei tablet. Now you can enjoy using Google Classroom and Google Meet apps on your Huawei tablet as usual by downloading Gspace app from Huawei AppGallery. Thank you for watching.